Hi, let me show you why Credit Money Machine Cloud is the easiest, fastest, more complete credit repair software on the market. It has an integrated email system, integrated invoice system, integrated autoresponder, a super calendar to enter appointments, phone calls, and tasks that will be linked or synchronized with the task manager at the front of the program. Here, with the instant messenger, you can communicate with other agents. It comes out of the box with 3 agents. It's ultra fast, as you probably have perceived already. And here, we're going to go to the contacts and leads manager. From here, we're going to add a contact to see how easy it is. We're going to put here John Smith, right? And we're going to put an address here. And I'm going to enter a date of birth, social security, and that's it. We have the new client here. Now we can enter into the dispute center. From the dispute center, we can extract the disputes from Privacy Guard or from Identity IQ. I have a sample here, and I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to click extract. In a few seconds, we're going to have extracted all the derogatories. But not only that, this is the only program that can also assign the types automatically, the reasons for the disputes, and the letters, in addition to the creditor, the account, the credit bureaus, each one for one line per credit bureau, not just a checkbox. This is important for the responses, etc. And for example, here we have the dates for the inquiries. Also, you can do tricks that are impossible to do in any other software. For example, it's not advisable to dispute the inquiries in the first round because you need to know which ones have been declined already. So we're going to omit the inquiries. We're going to do that pretty easily here, you see. I just click omit, and now we have it omitted. Another thing that you can do is select the disputes that you want to dispute. Mark the ones that you want to dispute, and then click print mark disputes, or simply click print selected disputes. So I'm going to click at this time print selected disputes. Okay, so now they are printed. That's it, as simple as that. And then from here you can download them to your hard drive or actually send them to your printer. Okay, so we have the 3 credit bureaus. Now go back, and now we're going to post the portal. The portals could reside inside your own website, not outside like in other companies. So now if you want to see it, I'm going to click here. This is the one that we just created, right? This will be white label to you, so this will be only you. In the status page, your client can see the status of all the disputes that you have done for him or her. Notice the speed of this portal. Also, in the attachment page, they can send you images like driver's license, social security, the answer from credit bureaus, etc. But they can ask you questions. We have a small knowledge database, education database for your clients, and a form so your clients can refer you deals. If you have a Spanish clientele, they can click in Spanish and see everything in Spanish, the portal, so they can understand, or even in Polish for those communities in Chicago, Illinois. So this will be the portal. As you can see, ultra-fast portal. Then we can see that the status became in progress, and the follow-up date is now set to 45 days. You can change that here. So we can go back. Oh no, I forgot to show you so I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna show you the credit audit. So you can type whatever you need to advise your client here, but then you can create a full credit audit that you can send to your client just with one click. And the content, this could be modifiable. You could have your own logo and obviously your own address, etc. And you can change the text of the audit if you like. Okay, so this is a nice credit audit. You will have the scores if we have entered the scores, but I didn't. So there is blank, but it will be there. And okay, so that will be the credit audit. Also, you can have portals for affiliates, etc. Of course. So here, back, we can see that the date for the next round, okay, that in this case is 45 days that we have done. So you can always click this button and sort by date and know which one is the nearest one to follow up. And maybe we want to put this one as an active client. So for example, it will be perfectly possible to click here, select, as we will be selecting all the active clients pretty quickly. This mark indicates which one is an affiliate, etc. All these are tests. Of course, you can see the same numbers, etc. So this is not a real database, but you get the idea. Also, it's possible, for example, to add tasks to the clients right here. For example, I'm going to put here social security needed. Okay, so I'm going to put that. I can have it with the time, but it's not necessary. So I'm going to put without time. I can put a long description here, but I don't need to in this case. And now this task, as you can see, has been linked to the task manager. Not only tells me that I need to do this, but also have this gavel icon, so I can go to the dispute center just with John Smith selected. So, well, I'm gonna make it short. This is pretty much the basics of the Credit Money Machine Cloud, and you can find more information in our website, creditmoneymachincloud.com. If you want also, we have a much more professional version for companies of any size that you can find at creditmoneymachine.com, so without the cloud. Okay, thank you.